Hello viewers, welcome back to another video. Today I will be unboxing and reviewing the Huawei Freebud 5. In my opinion, this is the best open fit earbud under $150. Comfort for exceptional audio quality. In today's video, I'm going into a deep dive of world of open fit earbud and uncovering the ultimate audio companion of 2023. In my opinion, the Huawei Freebud 5 I'm reviewing today is that companion.
Oh my god! Wow!
It has sleek and innovative design, and I'll be revealing why this is a top choice for audio users seeking for a matched blend of comfort and crystal clear audio and cutting-edge technology. Stay tuned and I will be exploring all the reasons in this video. The Huawei Freebud 5 is an open fit design. I know you are wondering what that even means. Calm down. I will explain. Well, it means that the Huawei Freebud 5 does not have an open ear tip like most earbuds do. This is mostly an advantage or disadvantage. Going with design, I'll be talking about the advantage and disadvantage later in the end of this video. So please stick around for that. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, as this will help to promote a small channel like mine. Without any delay, I'll be talking about 5 reasons that make this open fit earbud appealing to every user. First thing that will make it appealing is design. The design of this earbud is so unique. There is nothing quite like this earbud on the market. It has a droplet shaped design that helps it to snugly fit in the ear, and it creates a secure fit. Although you will still need to adjust it from time to time, it comes with 2 silicone ultra thin caps, which helps to increase the secure fit in the ear. Well, I've used it and I can say it works slightly and can be irritating to the ear, so it's better to just take it off. So also note that the Huawei Freebud 5 also won an award in June 16 because of this innovative design, so there you have it. Another reason to love this earbud is the battery. It houses a 42 mAh battery on each board, and the case packs a 505 mAh to charge each board when you're on the go. With music playback, the earbud is rated by Huawei Lab for 5 hours with ANC turned off. For the reward test, I got 4.5 hours streaming music with the volume raised to 70% and with ANC turned off. By Huawei Lab, they also tested and got 3.5 hours ANC turned on, but in the reward test, I got 3 hours with music and ANC turned on and the volume raised to 70%. With the case, you get 30 hours with ANC turned off, and also you get 20 hours with ANC turned on. The Huawei Freebud 5 supports wireless charging. Well, it's well expected for most premium earbuds of this price range, especially in this current generation. It supports the latest technology, so it supports wireless charging depending on the variants you get. There are 2 variants, the one without the wireless charging and the one with the wireless charging. Another reason to love this earbud is the microphone. It has very good and solid microphones on this earbud. There are 3 microphones on each earbud, making a total of 6. However, Freebud 5 actively cancels noise during calls and music sessions. It has 3 ANC modes, which are cozy, general, and dynamic. Dynamic is the auto mode, which automatically switch between cozy and general depending on your external noise in the environment. So another reason to love the earbud is its multi-point connection. This earbud supports multi-point connection. It means switching from one device to another while using this earbud is very seamless and easy. You can simultaneously switch from one device. When you have a call on your phone, you receive the call on your phone and quickly go back to streaming what you were streaming on your laptop, which makes it very versatile and very handy for quick use. If you love music, the Huawei Freebud 5 is for you. It has so much clarity. I'm not an audiophile, but I know good music and what it sounds like. You are getting rich and premium sound on this earbud just like the Apple AirPod 3, another open fit earbud. With its 11 dual magnetic driver, you get very punchy and detailed bass, which may not blow you away because of course it's an open fit earbud, but it's plenty compared to the other products in the market. Also, it supports wide range of codecs for audio, which is ASC, aptX, L2HC, LDAC, and also it has a frequency response range from 16 to 40 kilohertz. What are the advantages and disadvantages of open fit earbud? So starting with the advantage is because it's simply more comfortable, because it does not have an ear tip, so you have less ear strain and longer listening sessions. It's obvious. The disadvantage, well, as you may guess, is that they have little or more loss of audio depending on the ambient noise in the background. They don't seal in the ear canal, they have less powerful bass and low or no noise isolation. The technology has greatly improved this aspect, like the unit I'm reviewing today. So that's everything for the Huawei Freebud 5. So I hope you like this earbud. I hope you consider it or make it a purchase. I really love this earbud. I love to hear what you think about it in the comment section. So thank you for watching. Do like my video, subscribe to the channel. I'll be releasing more videos like this, so turn on the notification bell. I'd love to hear from you in the comment section. You have a nice day. Peace out.